Boho Mini Twist Tutorial. I part my hair in 3 big sections. I use a setting foam for this style because other products weigh my twists down. Next, I add setting foam to damp hair and then twist. After applying the setting foam, I spray more water on that section of hair, then I use a comb to distribute the product evenly. At the end of each twist, I twirl the hair around my fingers to get a curl so my twists don't unravel. While completing this style, I decided to separate a few curls from the twists to achieve the popular boho look. As my hair began to air dry, the twists became bouncy and shiny. I added some gold hoops to the twists for decoration, and here is my final look.